At the recent Unpacked event, what features will this tiny titan boast? Buckle up everyone, as we find out the details of Galaxy Ring in this video. Imagine a sleek, comfortable ring that seamlessly tracks your activity, sleep, stress, and more, all while maintaining a stylish, discreet appearance. That's the potential of the Galaxy Ring. But will this innovative concept become a reality, adorning your fingers shortly? Let's get more into it. Samsung has a history in wearables, notably releasing one of the initial modern smartwatches in 2013, the original Galaxy Gear. However, it's now venturing into a fresh category of smart rings. The tech giant hinted at the Galaxy Ring during its Unpacked event last month, indicating a significant expansion of its health tracking initiatives. Samsung dropped a bombshell at their 2024 Unpacked event, the Galaxy Ring. This mysterious wearable, shrouded in secrecy, sparked imaginations with its potential to revolutionize health monitoring and everyday interaction. But what exactly does this tiny titan hold? Let's unlock the possibilities. While details remain under wraps, whispers point towards a health-focused ring leveraging its comfortable, always-on design. Imagine continuous sleep tracking, heart rate monitoring, and even stress management all nestled discreetly on your finger. This could be a game changer for health enthusiasts seeking unobtrusive yet comprehensive tracking. Think continuous sleep tracking, heart rate monitoring, and potentially even stress management, all tucked away on your finger. This intriguing device, though not fully revealed, holds the promise of revolutionizing how we monitor our health and wellness. The Samsung Galaxy Ring, teased at the 2024 Unpacked event, aims to offer a discreet and health-focused wearable experience. The Galaxy Ring's potential expands beyond the realm of health. Could it offer contactless payments, discreet notifications, or even music control, all with a subtle tap or gesture? Perhaps it could seamlessly integrate with other Samsung devices, creating a holistic ecosystem for the tech-savvy individual. The possibilities are truly endless. The possibilities are as endless as our imaginations. Dr. Sung-Soo Park, head of sensor technology, touts its potential for unparalleled health monitoring accuracy due to continuous skin contact, foreseeing advancements in sleep tracking and stress detection. Conversely, Dr. Sun Young Song, head of user experience, lauds its comfort and inconspicuousness, envisioning seamless integration with Samsung devices for all-day wear. It's crucial to note that this assessment reflects internal opinions and limited information, and as the ring's release nears, its true impact on the wearable market will become clearer. The Galaxy Ring's potential excites us, but questions linger. Will it offer compelling features beyond existing wearables? How will it integrate with the existing Samsung ecosystem? Only time will tell. This compact powerhouse could revolutionize health monitoring, seamlessly blending into our daily routines and providing invaluable insights. Thanks for watching. Stay with us to get more updates like this content. Comment down below whether you are excited about it or not.